Hello students, welcome to Mathwala Mahesh and happy Diwali to all. Now today we will solve exercise 1.4b. So moving to the first question. Work out the numbers to these multiplication and divisions. So we have to first multiply the numbers and then we have to do the division. So the first question is 4 and 5 by 6 into 2 by 3. So if we know that this is the mixed fraction, so we have to change this number in improper fraction, which is what is the process? We have to do 4 into 6 plus 5. Okay, 4 into 6 plus 5 divided by 6, and this is 2 by 3. So this is 24 plus 5, 29 by 6 into 2 by 3. Okay, so if we divide this by 3, so the answer is 29 and it is 3 into 3, 9. So the correct answer is 29 upon 9. Okay, and we can also change this number to again the mixed number, which is if we divide 9, if we divide 29 by 9, we know that 3, which is 27. 27 upon 9 is 3 plus 2. We can write this number is 27 plus 9 by 2, and 27 upon 9 is 3 and the remaining 2 upon 9. Okay, so this is the fraction to next number. So this is how we can solve the remaining numbers. Next one is B 1 and 3 by 5 into 1 and 1/4. So 1 and 3 by 5 is 5 into 1 plus 3. 5 into 1 plus 3 is 8 upon 5. 4 into 1 plus 1 is 5 upon 4. So this is 5 upon 5 and this is 2. So the answer is 2. Next one is 3 by 8 into 1 and 6 by 7. It is 3 by 8 into 7 plus 6, 3, 13 upon 7. And we cannot further divide. So the answer is 3 into 13, 39 upon 8 into 7, 56. So 39 upon 56. And moving to the next one, D is 5 and 1 by 4 into 2 and 2 by 5. So this is 21 upon 4 into 12 upon 5. And 4 3s are 12. So 21 into 3 is 63 upon 5. And if we change this number in mixed number, then this is 12 and 3 by, because 5 into 12 is 60 plus 3, 63 upon 5. The next one is, so you can do this one by yourself. So D, now E. What is E? 3 and 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 7. So this is 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 divided by 2 by 7. And now we have to change this divide sign by multiplication, which is 7 by 2. And now we have to take the reciprocal. If we change the divide sign by multiply, then we have to change this number to its reciprocal, which is 7 by 2. Okay, so if I have to do A upon B divided by C upon D, then I have to write A upon B multiply by D upon C. Okay, so we have to change this number into the reciprocal, and so the answer is 7 into 7 is 49 upon 2 is 4, and we can write it 12 and 1 upon 4. F 4 2 by 3 divided by 1 and 1/6. This is 12 plus 2, 14 upon 3, and 6 plus 1, 7 by 6. Okay, so 14 upon 3 into 6 upon 7. So 7 2 is 12, 3 2 is 6. The answer is 4. Okay, so do the remaining questions by yourself and do the calculation, and if you have any doubt, then please ask in the comment section. I will answer the questions remaining in the next video. Okay, so do these questions by yourself. Now moving to the next one. Second question is, work out the answer to these addition and subtraction. So now we have to add and subtract the numbers. Okay, so the first one is 5 and 1 upon 5 plus 2 and 3 upon 4. So this is the mixed fraction, and we have to convert in proper or improper fraction. So how to convert? 5 in 5, 25 plus 1, 26 by 5 plus 4 into 2, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 by 4. Now multiply, and now we can take LCM or we can directly multiply the numbers. Five into 4, and now cross multiply these numbers. 4 multiply 26 by 4 and multiply 11 by 5. So 26 into 4 26 into 4 plus 5 into 11 5 into 11. So 26 into 4 plus 5 into 11. So 26 into 4 plus 55 means 104 plus 55 upon 20, which is 159 upon 20. And if we have to change this mixed number, the answer would be 7 into 19 upon 20. Second one, 3 and 2 by 7 plus 2 and 3 by 5. This is 21 plus 2, 23 upon 7 plus 10 plus 3, 13 upon 5. Cross multiply 23 into 5 plus 13 into 7 upon 7 into 5. 115 plus 91 upon 35, or 115 plus 91 is 206 upon 35, and we can write it 5 and 31 upon 35. Okay, so this is how you have to do the next two questions, which is C and D. So you do these by yourself, and I will solve E option. Four and half minus 3 and 3 by 5. 4 and half is 8 plus 1, 9 by 2 minus 15 plus 3, 18 by 5. Sam, do the cross product. 9 into 5 minus 2 into 18 upon 2 into 5, which is 45 minus 36 by 10, which is 9 by 10. So this is correct answer. And F 6 and 3 by 4 minus 4 and 3 by 7, which is 24 plus 3, 27 by 4 minus 28 plus 3, 31 by 7, and 27 into 7 minus 31 into 4 upon 4 into 7. So 27 into 7 is 189. 189 minus 31 into 4. 31 into 4 is 124, and 28, and 189 minus 124 is 65 upon 28, which is 2 and 9 by 28. Okay, so this is correct answer. And the remaining question, which is G, G and H you do by yourself, C and D, and G and H. Okay. So you have to do only the calculation, and if you have any doubt, then ask me again. So now moving to question number 3. Okay. So first one is 1 by 10 of 50. So in BODMAS rule, we know that the O means of, it means multiply. It means 1 by 10 into 50. And 1 by 10 into 50 is 5. Okay. So the next one is 2 by 3 of 12. It means 2 by 3 into 12. It is 4 into 2 is 8. So the first one is 5, second one is 8. And similarly, the third one is 4 by 5 into 27, which is 27 into 4, 108 upon 5. Okay. Or we can write this number in 21 and 3 by 5. And do the remaining question, which is D and E. Okay. Do the calculation. I am solving question number 6 by 11. Question number F is 6 by 11 of 3 and 2 by 3 mm. Okay. So this is unit mm. So you have to keep the unit in the answer. Okay. So don't change the unit. You have to keep it 6 by 11 into 3 and 2 by 3, which is 6 by 11 into, now changing this mixed number in fraction, is 9 plus 2 is 11, 3. So 11, 3 and 2, this is 2. And the unit, you have to put the unit in every step to mm. So the answer is 2 mm. Okay. And do this one by yourself. I'm doing H 6 by 13 of 11 and 3 by 8 amperes. This is unit of current. Okay. 6 by 13 into 11, it is 88 plus 3 91 upon 8. So 13, 7, 91, and if we divide by 2, then we will get 3 and 4. So 3 into 7 is 21 upon 4. Okay. We can write 5, 5 and 1 by 4 amperes. Okay, this is the correct answer. So the remaining question you do by yourself. Now moving to the next one. In each of the following, express the smaller quantity as a simple fraction of the larger quantity. So first we have to check which one is smaller and which one is larger. Okay. So option A, first one is 15 centimeter and second one is 4 meter. So if we have to compare both the quantity, so we have to first change the units and make it equal, because first one is centimeter, second one is meter, so we have to convert the meter into centimeter. So we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So what is 4 meter? 4 meter equal to 400 centimeter. And now we can compare that first one is 15 centimeter and second one is 400 centimeter. Now this is the smaller quantity and this is the larger quantity. Okay, and if we have to change and we have to express the smaller quantity as fraction of larger quantity, it means what is the fraction? Fraction is smaller upon larger. Okay, so smaller is 15 centimeter, 15, sorry, 15 centimeter upon 400 centimeter, centimeter to centimeter, and 15 upon 400 is, if we divide by 5, then in numerator it is 3 and in denominator it is 80. Okay, so the fraction is 3 upon 80. This is the correct answer for A. And now moving to the second one, B. 480 gram and 6 kg. So first we have to change 6 kg equal to 6 into 1000 gram. It means 6000 grams. So the fraction is smaller upon larger. It means 480 gram upon 6000 gram. So cancel gram to gram and 10 to 10, 48 upon 600. Okay, and if we divide by 6, then we will get 8 upon 100. Again divide by 4, we will get 2 upon 25. So this is the correct fraction. Okay, we have to reduce it in the smallest fraction part. Okay, and now you can do this question by yourself. 4.5 kilometer is 4.5 into 1000 meter. Okay, and I'm doing the D part, which is 72 cents and dollar 2.40, $2.40. It means we know that $1 equal to 100 cents. It means $2.4 equal to 2.4 into 100 cents, which is 240 cents. So the smaller one is smaller fraction is smaller upon larger. Smaller is 72 on larger is 240, and this is cents, and if we divide by 24, then this is 3 upon 10. Okay, 3 upon 10 is the answer. Now moving to the next one. E option, 8400 meter square and 2.5 hectares. You know that 1 hectare equal to 10,000 meter cube. Meter square, sorry. So which one is 2.5 hectare equal to 25 and 1000 meter square. Okay, now the fraction is smaller. Smaller one is 8400, larger one is 25,000. Cancel 2020, and if we divide further, then we will get 84 upon 250 and 42. If we divide to 42 upon 125. Okay, this one is the correct answer, and you have to do C option and F option. F is, you know that 1 meter equal to 100,000 mm. Okay, use this conversion and do the remaining one. Okay, now moving to the next question, fifth one. In each of the following, express the large quantity as an improper fraction of the smaller quantity. So in the last question, we used proper fraction, which is smaller upon larger. In this one, the improper fraction is larger upon smaller. Okay, so the first question, 4,000 meter and 5.2 kilometer. You can write 5.2 into 1,000 meter, which is 5,200 meter. Okay, so the larger upon smaller is 5,200 upon 4,000. Cancel 20 to 20, and if we divide by 4, we will get 13 upon 10. So this is the improper fraction, and this is correct answer. And do B question, 0.8 kg, it is 800 gram and 120 gram. So this one is easy, and do this by yourself. C option is $18.04. $18 means 1800 cents. So the larger one is larger upon smaller. Larger one is 1800 cents upon smaller one is 400 cents. 9 upon 2. And we can get 4 and half. Okay, this is the mixed fraction and this is improper. Answer is 9 by 2. And you can do the remaining question. Okay, this one I have done. You can do this one. 3 days. We know that 1 day equal to 24 hours. So 3 days equal to 3 into 24 means 72 hours. So 180 is larger, 72 is smaller, 180 upon 72. Okay, so do this by yourself. And 16,500 gram and 11 kg. 11 kg means 11,000 gram. So the larger one is this one, the smaller one is this one. Okay, I will do the F1. 8 and 4 by 7 weeks and 70 days. 1 week equal to 7 days and 8 and 4 by 7 weeks, it means 8 and 4 by 7 into 7 days. And change this one to fraction. 56 plus 4, 60 upon 7 to 7, it means 60 days. Okay, so this means 60 days. So which one is larger? Obviously 70 days. So the fraction is larger upon smaller. Larger one is 70 days upon smaller one is 60 days. And this is 76. Okay, this is the answer. Now moving to the next one. Sixth one. On a sponsored walk, Jasmine walks 3 by 4 of the distance that Bina walks. If Bina walks 36.8 kilometers, how far does Jasmine walks? Okay, we know that Jasmine walks 3/4 of Bina's distance. Okay, so if we have to find how far does Jasmine walk, then we have to find the Bina's distance. So what is Bina's distance? So Bina walks 36.8 kilometer means 36. Okay, if we can change it in meters, or also we can directly use this one in kilometer. Okay, so Jasmine walks equal to 3 by 4 of Bina. 3 by 4 of Bina walks. Which means 36.8 kilometer. So what is 3 by 4 of 36.8? If we divide by 4, we will know 9.2. It means 27.6 kilometer. So this one is the correct answer. 27.6 kilometer Jasmine walks. Okay. (27.6 kilometer). Next one is Jasmine collects 5 by 8 of the sponsorship money that Bina collects. If Bina collects exactly 5 by 8 of $1,200, how much does Jasmine collect? So first we have to find how much Bina collects. Bina collects 3 by 8 of $1,200. 3 by 8 into 1,200, it means 150, which is $450. Now Jasmine collects equal to 5 by 8 of Bina's collection. Okay. 5 by 8 of $450 means 5 by 8 into 450, and if we further calculate, then we will get 281.25 dollars. Okay, so this is the correct answer. $281.25. This is 27.6 kilometer. Moving to the next one, 7th question. Gulam worked for 8 hours on a particular day. He spent 2 and 40 minutes writing reports. 25 by 96 of his working day in a meeting. Lunch break lasted for 45 minutes, and he spent the remainder of his working day doing the accounts. So we have to complete the table. Okay. So first we have to change the working hour in minutes. So total working day, total working hours equal to 8 hours, and 8 hours means 8 into 60 minutes is 480 minutes. So this is the time Ghulam worked for in a particular day. Okay, it means 480 minutes he do the work. Now he spent 2 hours and 40 minutes writing reports. This one, 2 hours and 40 minutes. So 2 hours and 40 minutes is 2 hours and 40 minutes, which is writing report. 2 hours and 40 minutes. It means 2 into 60. 2 into 60 plus 40 minutes. 120 plus 40, which is 160 minutes. Okay, this is the total reporting time in minutes. Now we can change this one into the fraction one. Okay, simple fraction of working day. This one, simple fraction. How to make simple fraction? So fraction is smaller upon the larger one, or we can say the total one. So writing report is 160 minutes, and total working hours, it is 480 minutes. This is total working time. We can cancel this one and this one. 16 upon 48 is 1 upon 3. So the fraction is 1 upon 3. Okay. Now doing the remaining question. B. He spent 25 upon 96 of his working day in a meeting. In meeting, so this is your meeting time, which is 25 upon 96 of total of 480 minutes. Okay, this is total time. So 25 upon 96 into 480, and we will get this one as 48, 10 and 2, and 5 means 25 into 5, 125 minutes. Okay. So 125 minutes is 120 minutes plus 5 minutes, and 120 minutes is 2 hours plus 5 minutes. So we got the time, which is 2 hours and 5 minutes. Okay, so we have completed 2 row 1 and 2. Now the third one is lunch time is 0 hour and 45 minutes. It means 45 minutes in lunch, and we have to change this one in fraction. So what is fraction? See option. 45 minutes of lunch upon what is total time. Total time is 480 minutes. And if we divide by 5, then we will get 9. And if we divide this one, we will get 96, and if we divide by 3, we will get 3 and 2. Okay, the simple fraction is 3 upon 32. So we can write 3 upon 32. Okay, now the remaining, for the remaining we have to do this calculation. Now we have completed this one, this one, and this one, and this one. So the remaining is he spent the remainder of his working day doing the accounts. So what is the remaining day? Okay. So total, we know that total time is 28 hours, and we have used 2 hours and 40 minutes, 2 hours and 5 minutes and 45 minutes total. So total time is, if we can change 2 and 2 is 4 hours plus 40 and 5 45, and 45 and 45 is 90 plus 90 minutes. It means 4 hour plus 90 minutes means 5 hour and 30 plus 30 minutes. This is the time we have used in reporting, meeting, and lunch. So the remaining time is accounts, for accounts. So if we remove total 8 minus 5 hour and 30 minutes, if we remove from 8 minus 5 30, it means how much time we will get? We will get 2 hour and 30 minutes. Okay, 2 hour and 30 minutes. So this is our the last section, 2 hour and 30 minutes. What is 2 hour and 30 minutes? 120 minutes plus 30, it means 150 minutes, and it is 150 minutes. And if we have to change this one in fraction, so what is the fraction? 150 upon 480. 480 is total. So the fraction is 150 upon 480 is 15 upon 48, or if we divide by 3, we will get 5 upon 16. So this is our fraction. So this is complete table. Now the last question. A family of 2 adults and 2 children has booked a holiday. The total cost for their flight is $5440, and the total cost of their accommodation is $7200. Each child's flight is 417 of the total cost of the flight. Find the total cost of flight for each adult. Okay, so the total flight cost is total flight It is $5,440, and each child each child's flight cost equal to 4 by 17 of total total. It means 4 by 17 into 5440. It means 12 and 80. Okay, 12 and $80 for each. And there are, find the cost of, okay, there are two children. So two children's flight cost equal to 2 into 1280, which is 25 and $60. And remaining the remaining for adults, equal to total minus the total cost minus child. Okay, which is total is 5440, and what is children's flight cost? 2560, and the answer is 2880. And we know that we have two adults, so this is for two adults. Okay, so first, for one adult, for one or each adult, the cost is 2880 to 14. Okay, it is in dollar, 14 and $40. This is the correct answer. Now the last one is the cost of accommodation for each adult is $472 more than for each child. Find what fraction of the total cost for the flights and accommodation is paid for the children. So if I remove this one, so I will find this one is 1440. Now B option. If we let the accommodation for child, let child accommodation equal to X, then for each adult is 472 more than for each child. It means the adult accommodation equal to X plus 472, because it is 472 more than for each child, because for each child it is X and X plus 472 for adult. Now we know that the total cost for their accommodation is $72. 200. Okay, so this is for one child and for one adult. Okay, so the total cost of accommodation, it is given that $7,200. Total cost means two child plus two adult. Okay, this is 7,200, and which is 2x plus 2x 4x, 2 into 472, it means 944, 7,200, 4x equal to 6256, x equal to 15 and 64. Okay, so the child accommodation, each for each child the accommodation is this one for each child. Okay, and for each adult, for each adult, which is x plus 472, then 1564 plus 472 means 2036. Okay, now we have to find what fraction of total cost for flights and accommodation is paid for the children. Okay. Now total paid by children equal to flight for two children, which is 202 and 1280. This one is like flights. Okay. This one is flights plus, and this one is for accommodation, which is 2 into 1564. You can see that 1280. Okay, in the last question we have found 1280 for one children flight, and for accommodation this one is 1564. So the total cost is 5688. This is for the children. Okay, now the total cost is the total, which is flights plus accommodation. This total one is 5440 plus 7200. It is given. You can see that here 5440 plus 7200. This one is total cost. So this is 12 and 640. This is total. Now the fraction paid by children. This is what is the smaller one, 5688, and the larger one is 12 and 640. And if we solve this, we will find 9 upon 20. Okay, so this is the fraction, and this is our answer, 9 upon 20. 9 upon 20. This is the fraction, and for option A $140. Okay, so this is the last question, and thank you for watching this one. And if you understand the questions, then please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, ask me in comment section. I will solve your doubts in next video. And happy Diwali again. Thank you so much.